What's up? Welcome back, guys. This is going to be a head shave with Kaw VOR V. Awesome soap. The razor will be the Golden Black Beauty long variant. Blade Gillette Platinum. I haven't used one of these blades in a while. Be using this on a 7. See how I go on a 7. Brush. Yaki 24mm black marble. And the brass bowl. So lately, every one of my shaves, by lately I mean just the last 6 months, every shave has been on camera, so I don't have enough time to shave off camera and on camera, so I just choose to do it all on camera. If you didn't know, Kaw VOR V consists of geranium, raspberry, nutmeg, saffron, oud, black tea, cashmere, musk, leather, amber, and vanilla. I wouldn't call it a Halloween scent. I guess it is because of the label, but it's not my idea of a Halloween scent. It is a nice scent. I love the scent, but this makes me, there's nothing about the scent that makes me think Halloween, so. But it is an incredible scent. Scent strength 7.5. If you have a splash, I'd put it up to an 8. Strong 8. This is the vegan variant. Yeah, that ain't gonna work. Let's go up. On up to the 9. My next shave will be a straight razor face shave. If it's got a good enough edge on it, that is. If not, I'm gonna have to send it out to be honed. But the guy says he's honed it down to an 8,000, up to an 8,000 grit, so we'll see. And he may have, I don't know. We'll have to see, I guess. Can't take anybody's word nowadays, not many people. Wow, it's really nice. It wouldn't have worked on that 7 setting, but since I put it on the 9, it's really good. It's a bright, bright white leather here. I'd call this a beginning of winter scent. If you were going to classify it for seasons, if I wanted to use this in the summer, I would. I may even use this in the spring. It's like a wintry spring. Beginning of spring, beginning of winter, through the winter type scent for me. But like I said, I'd use a Christmas scent in August if I wanted to. I mean, I normally don't, but they're your soaps, use them when you want to. Nobody can tell you when to use a scent. Obviously, some scents are made for certain times of the year, but like I said, you paid for the soap, you use it when you want to, how you want to. Don't let anybody tell you how to use a soap or when to use a scent. If you want to use menthol soaps in December or January, do it. I have. That's what it's about. It's variety. Not much hair left on the thick coating there. Hope everyone's well. Having good shaves. Doing good in life. I won't be back on for another 4 or 5 days. At least 4 days. So little gimmick called work. They want me to work and shit. God damn. You know what I mean? Keep sending these gimmicks in the mail called bills. You gotta pay them. fucking gimmicks, man. Feel like I work just to live. And if you save your money, what good's it gonna do sitting there? You're just not gonna have any fun with it. The people with over 30, 40,000 sitting in the bank watching this video, you could go out to get milk today at the grocery store, die in a car crash. All that money down the drain for you, especially if you have no family. It's gone to the government. Wow, that is BBS, Bo. This thing is awesome. It's a P1 1970 first quarter, just like my short handle here. So, yeah. Not many of these gold ones pop up online, especially not in this good of condition that I've seen. So I had to snag it up. Plus it's my favorite besides the toggle, it's my favorite vintage Gillette. Besides the toggle and Aristocrat. Definitely my favorite head shaver because of the handle. And it don't mess, especially with this platinum on setting 9. No messing. But yeah, back to the money. Like, I just don't understand how people work their entire lives and just throw all their extra money in the bank to sit there, and then when they die, without spending it, I don't know. Something to think about. I guess they'd rather be safe when alive, and when they're dead, it doesn't really matter, I guess, but everybody has a different take on everything. Post shave is phenomenal on this soap. What's your favorite Holy Kaw scent, or have you tried Holy Kaw? Leave it in the comments. I'd love to know. This is the only Holy Kaw I've got. I've got this little scientific vial of Fougere Mania, which is awesome. I got that on sale last Christmas at Wisco Shaving, but I don't have the soap. It's a really nice scent too. I like the strengths on his scents. He's not afraid to put some oils in there, frag oils. Wow, what a shave. As you can see, I'm starting to bring blood on the top of my head there, so I don't think I'm gonna shave that no more this round. Starting to chase BBS here. Alright, I gotta put this down. I'd call that 99% BBS. So. Splasheroonie toner, aftershave toner. Soap's a lot stronger than the toner for some reason. Maybe it's because it's a toner, not a splash, I don't know. But it is, the scent is there, it's just not like a normal super potent splash. But there is no burn. If there would have been alcohol in that, ooh-wee, my ass would have been on fire. Here's my new brush soaker. I was drinking coffee out of it last year, but I figured I'd just, too small really. It's like 2 sips of coffee for me, so pretty cool. I think I'm gonna use some of this actually, since winter's here. And cold air does a number on a bald head, so it's got like a incensey, floral, resinous-y type scent. It's really nice. Fougere Mania. It's really nice. Maybe a little smoke, not much. I'm guessing, guys, I really don't know. It's just what I'm picking up. But yeah, that's it for today's shave, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Catch me in 4 days for a straight razor face shave. Have a good one. Peace out.